Hi beautiful people, how you all doing? If it's your first time here, my name is Belinda. I do videos on DIY hair care, hairstyles and wigs, and in today's video it's a DIY hair care video. So without further ado, let's get right into today's video. In my spray bottle I have my clove and Lipton water. I'm going to moisturize my hair with this water, and then in this container I have my DIY hair oil, and this oil contains ginger and garlic. I'm going to leave the link to this oil in the description box so you can go check it out on how to make yours yourself. So the first thing you want to do is to spray your hair generously with this Lipton and clove water. Guys, this water is like magic. It reduces the itchiness of my scalp. Personally, this is what I have come to realize. This water reduces the itchiness of my scalp from like 100% to like a 20, guys. Yes, I don't know if that's how it does with other people's hair, but this is my personal experience, guys. It reduces the itchiness of my scalp, and apart from that, it stimulates hair, scalp, and it helps promote hair growth, guys. Yes, so I'm just spraying it generously and working it in. I'm working it in with my hands, with the tip of my fingers, not my nails, guys. I am using the tip of my fingers to gently massage this water into my scalp. So I'm just going to continue doing this all around my scalp, making sure that I cover all my hair with it. You know, the roots of our hair is more prone to dryness than the rest of our hair, so I am concentrating on my scalp, making sure it's covered totally with this water, and I am massaging it in gently with the tips of my fingers. So now don't forget, guys, not the nails. We are using the tip of our fingers to gently work this water into our hair. So when I finish doing this, I'm going to go in with the oil. So this DIY oil, it contains ginger, onion and garlic, and these three combinations are very good for hair growth. Yes, guys, go and do your research. You're going to find out that onions, ginger and garlic stimulate hair growth rapidly. So I just moisturize my scalp with this oil, rub it in gently, and guys, if you do this, you're going to realize that your hair is going to be juicy. You're not going to be experiencing dryness of hair dryness. So guys, this is basically what I do to take care of my hair while it's in a protective hairstyle. Whenever I do this, I feel my hair like it feels fresh and alive. And please do not use petroleum jellies like this one. In order to avoid product buildup on your hair, it's preferable you use lighter oil like this one. Coconut oil or olive oil or any other light oil will be perfect to moisturize your hair while it's in a protective hairstyle. And this particular oil, I'm going to leave the link in the description box, so you go check it out after this. So that's basically how I take care of my hair, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate you. Please consider clicking on the subscribe button, and if you have any question concerning this video, don't hesitate to leave your question in the comment section. I will be happy to answer every of your questions. So until next time, guys, stay blessed, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.